everybody to another installment of Unbox That. Today we are going to unbox a brand new computer that we will be building from the ground up. So let's go over some of the items we're going to use today to build this brand new computer. Right here in front of me we have the 570X Corsair crystal clear white case. It's all RGB'd out. This thing is gonna light up and it's gonna be beautiful. Right here is the motherboard. It's the X470 Gaming 7 Wi-Fi motherboard by Gigabyte. Corsair RAM. This is the 2x8, so I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, but this has some RGB goodness as well. Right here we have the CPU. Now this CPU comes with an RGB fan. It's the Radeon 2700X. This thing I heard is a beast, so hopefully it performs as well as people said it would perform, because I am looking forward to unboxing this and installing it. The Samsung 860 EVO SSD 1 terabyte hard drive. This is the Radeon Gigabyte RX 580 video card. I got this for about $200. I'm hoping that this video card is good. If not, we may need to upgrade it, but I read some good reviews on this guy as well. Power supply, we're using the Corsair CX750M. I got this off of Amazon for about $90. This should do everything a power supply is supposed to do. I read good things about this as well. Check it out. I will leave a link below for everything that I have here. I will also show you what this computer looks like once it's done being built. The last thing I want to show you before we go to open this box right here is a monitor that I picked up the other day at the Micro Center PC Center. This monitor is a ultra wide monitor. I had a difficult time choosing between a curved monitor or an ultra wide monitor, but after seeing it in person, I said I wanted to go with the ultra wide monitor. I just didn't like how the smaller curved monitor looks. I went with a 29-inch LG ultra wide monitor here. Let's unbox this crystal clear X570 Corsair case. Boom! Let's take out my trusty scissor here. Hopefully I can raise enough money on this video to buy myself a proper pocket knife to open these boxes. Woo! Nothing like the sound of opening a box. All right, nicely wrapped here. We have our instruction guide. Wow, look at this. So you got the 3 RGB fans in the front. We have plenty slots here on this side to hide the wires. A control module here for the RGB lighting. And here it is. So you'll be able to see everything that's in this computer while we're building it. It looks like we have spots for some fans up top, a fan in the back as well. I hope you like this video, because I'm going to end it with the B-roll. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. You can subscribe if you want. I don't care. Hope you enjoyed it. I had fun making this video. Till next time.